Why you should listen a lot to improve your English. Hello my friend. Today, I want to talk to you about something very simple but very important. I want to talk about why listening a lot can help you improve your English. Many people think that to learn English, you must study grammar, you must read books, or you must write many words. Yes, these things are good. But if you really want to speak English well, if you want to understand people, and if you want to feel natural when you talk, you must listen a lot. Listening is the key. Listening is the heart of language learning. When we were babies, we did not learn to speak by reading or writing. We listened first. We listened to our parents, to our family, to everyone around us. We listened every day. Many hours. Without understanding everything, we just listened, again and again. After some time, our brain started to understand. Then one day, we began to speak. We did not study grammar. We did not open a book. We learned by listening. So, if you want to learn English well, you should do the same. You should listen to English many times every day. When you listen, something very special happens inside your brain. Your brain starts to notice the sounds, the rhythm, and the music of English. You start to hear how words connect, how sentences move, how people pause and stress some words. At first, maybe you don't understand much. Maybe you feel lost. That is okay. It is normal. You just keep listening. You don't stop. The more you listen, the more you understand. Slowly, your brain becomes used to English. English starts to feel natural. Listening is like feeding your brain with English. Every time you listen, your brain gets more English input. It is like giving food to your brain. If you feed it every day, it grows strong. But if you don't listen, your brain is hungry for English. You will feel weak when you try to speak. So, listening every day is like training your brain to speak better. Some people think they must understand everything they hear. That is not true. You do not need to understand all words. Even if you understand only 50% or 30%, it still helps you. Your brain learns by hearing again and again. One day, the words you don't understand will become clear. You will say, "Oh, now I know what that means." So don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. When you listen, try to enjoy it. Don't make it a boring thing. You can listen to English songs, short stories, simple news, or YouTube videos for English learners. You can listen when you walk, when you cook, when you clean, or when you travel. Listening does not always mean sitting in one place and studying. You can listen anywhere. The more you listen, the faster you will improve. Listening also helps you speak naturally. When you listen a lot, you start to copy how native speakers talk. You learn how they use words, how they move their mouth, and how they say sentences. You learn how they sound happy, sad, angry, or excited. Then, when you speak, your English sounds more real and natural. Many learners try to speak before they have listened enough. That is like trying to drive a car before learning how the car works. Listening helps you understand the music of English. It helps you feel confident when you speak. The more you listen, the easier it is to find words when you talk. Sometimes, people study grammar too much. They think, "I must know all the grammar rules to speak." But when you listen, your brain learns grammar naturally. You don't need to think about tenses or structures. You just listen and repeat. After listening many times, your mouth starts to use the correct grammar automatically. This is how children learn. And it works for adults too. Listening also improves your pronunciation. When you listen carefully, you notice how native speakers pronounce words. You notice that they don't say every word clearly, they connect them. For example, they say, gonna, instead of, going to. When you listen a lot, you start to use these natural sounds too. So your English sounds more like a real conversation, not like a textbook. If you listen every day, you will feel big changes in a few months. At first, you may think you are not improving, but your brain is learning quietly. Then suddenly, one day, you listen to something and understand it easily. That is when you realize that listening really works. Try to listen at least 1 hour every day. It can be 2 or 3 short times, 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the afternoon, and 20 minutes at night. You can listen to English podcasts for beginners, or watch videos with subtitles. If something is too hard, don't worry, just choose easier things. The most important thing is to listen every day, not just one time a week. Also, listen to topics you like. If you like music, listen to English songs. If you like cooking, watch English cooking videos. If you like stories, listen to simple English stories. When you enjoy what you listen to, you learn faster, because when you are happy, your brain remembers better. Sometimes, you will not understand new words. You can check the meaning later. But don't stop listening every time. Keep the flow. The goal is to let English enter your ears and go into your brain naturally. Words will come back again and again in other sentences. And your brain will remember them by hearing, not by memorizing. Listening also helps you learn culture. When you listen to real English conversations, you hear how people greet, how they say sorry, how they say thank you, and how they joke. You learn not just the language, but also how people really talk in daily life. This is something you cannot learn from a grammar book. Sometimes, when you listen to movies or songs, you may feel that people speak too fast. That is normal. English speakers often speak fast, connect words, and use short forms. Don't feel sad. If you keep listening, your ears will get stronger. It's like exercise. The more you practice, the stronger your listening becomes. One simple way to practice is shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and repeat at the same time. For example, you play a short video. Listen to one sentence, and then say it at the same time as the speaker. This helps your mouth and ears work together. It is a powerful way to learn pronunciation and rhythm. Another good way is to listen to one short story many times. Maybe 10 times or 20 times. At first, you don't understand much. The second time, you understand more. After many times, you understand everything easily. That means your brain has learned the words and patterns deeply. You can also make listening a habit. Every morning, listen to English when you brush your teeth or make breakfast. Every night, listen before you sleep. Even 10 minutes is good. These small moments make a big difference over time. Sometimes, people say, I don't have time to listen. But you can listen while you do other things. You can listen while walking, waiting for a bus, or cleaning your room. You don't need extra time. Just use your normal day to listen. Remember, listening is not only about understanding words. It's about feeling English. It's about hearing the emotion, the sound, and the life in the language. When you listen a lot, English becomes part of you. It becomes something natural, not something difficult. If you listen a lot, you will start to think in English. You will not translate in your head anymore. When you hear someone talk, you will understand the meaning directly, not word by word, and when you want to speak, the words will come out easily, without thinking too much. That is real fluency. Many great English learners say the same thing. I listened a lot. That is how they became fluent. So, if you want to speak like them, do what they did. Listen every day. Make English your friend. Listening also helps your memory. When you listen many times, the same words and phrases repeat in your mind. You remember them easily. You can use them later when you speak. It's like building a big library of English inside your head. Don't be afraid of mistakes. When you listen and repeat, maybe your pronunciation is not perfect. That's okay. Nobody is perfect at the beginning. The important thing is to keep trying. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Every day you improve a little. After some months, you will be surprised at how much better you understand and speak. If you ever feel bored, change what you listen to. There are many kinds of English: British English, American English, Australian English. You can listen to different accents. This helps your ears become flexible and ready for all kinds of English. When you listen a lot, you will also start to love the language more. You will feel happy when you understand a song or a movie without subtitles. You will feel proud when you can talk with someone and understand them. That feeling will give you more motivation to keep learning. So, my friend, if you really want to improve your English, start listening more. You don't need to buy expensive books or take many classes. Just open your ears every day. Listen to English stories, songs, or videos. Let English enter your life. In the beginning, it may feel hard. You may think, I don't understand, but don't stop. Keep going, step by step. Your brain will change. You will start to understand more and more. One day, you will realize that English is no longer a problem for you. Listening is not just practice. It's the most natural way to learn any language. It's how we learned our first language. And it's how you can master English too. So be patient, be consistent, and enjoy the process. Remember this. Right finger, the more you listen, the more you understand. Right finger, the more you understand, the more you can speak. Right finger, the more you speak, the more confident you become. It all starts with listening. So today, make a small promise to yourself. Say, every day, I will listen to English. It can be short, it can be long, but do it every day. Let English become a part of your world. Because when you listen a lot, English will slowly become your friend. It will not be a difficult subject anymore. It will be a language you live with, a language you love, and a language you use naturally. So keep your ears open, your heart happy, and your mind patient. Listen, listen, and listen more, and one day soon, you will smile and say, now I can really speak English. Thank you, my friend. Keep listening, keep growing, and never stop learning.